Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss today conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. Conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. An ammeter is an instrument used to measure electric current in electric circuit. It is always connected in series in the circuit. To convert galvanometer into an ammeter, we require connect a shunt S. Means low resistance wire that is known as shunt S parallel to the pivoted type moving coil galvanometer. This is pivoted type moving coil galvanometer parallel to moving coil galvanometer. The value of shunt S depends upon the range required ammeter to measure the electric current in ammeter. Since G means resistance of galvanometer and S shunt resistance of shunt means shunt are in parallel, the potential difference across them will be same because both are in parallel between A and B, so that potential difference across the shunt and across the galvanometer will be same. In galvanometer, main current I, the amount of current Ig passes through the galvanometer, and rest of current I minus Ig passes through the shunt S as shown in figure. Therefore, Ig into capital G equal to I minus Ig into S, or S means value of the shunt. Ig upon I minus Ig into G means the resistance of galvanometer, where Ig is a current in galvanometer in full scale deflection, and S is the value of the shunt for the range of ammeter 0 to I. The resistance of an ammeter 1 by Ra equal to 1 by G plus 1 by S, because the G and S in parallel. Higher the range of an ammeter, lower the value of the shunt. Means for the higher range ammeter, we require low value of shunt. For an ideal ammeter, the value of shunt S is 0. Now come on, conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. Voltmeter is an instrument which is used to measure electric potential difference between 2 points in a circuit directly in volt. It is always connected parallel between that 2 points. To convert galvanometer into a voltmeter, a resistor of high resistance are in series with pivoted type moving coil galvanometer G. The value of R depends on the range required to voltmeter. In the figure here shown, the current Ig passing through the G and the high resistance R, because both are in series, and this required to measure the potential difference across a circuit between the 2 points AB as shown in figure. From figure, the value of current Ig means current in galvanometer on full scale deflection, potential difference upon total resistance G plus R, G and R in series. G the resistance of galvanometer and I the resistance required to convert galvanometer and ammeter of range 0 to V volt. Therefore, from this, G plus R equal to V by Ig, otherwise R equal to V upon Ig minus G, with the maximum potential difference to be measured, which exists between the 2 points A and B as shown in figure. The R is the required resistance for voltmeter of range 0 to V volt. Resistance of voltmeter R equal to G plus R, which is always greater than the very greater than the value of the resistance of galvanometer. meter. Now second point, the value of resistance of voltmeter is very high. For ideal voltmeter, it is infinity. Now come on the numerical. Question 12. Now come on the question 12 here. You see in question 12, a galvanometer of resistance 99 ohm gives full scale deflection of current 50 milliampere. Means G equal to 99 ohm and Ig equal to, that is given 50 milliampere on full scale deflection. Find the value of shunt. Required to calculate the value of shunt. It means here to convert into an ammeter of reading to the maximum current, means I 0 to I, that is 5 ampere. Now here 5 ampere, what is the resistance of ammeter, and also required to calculate these two here. This may be written 15 to 10 power minus 3 ampere, that you may write 0.0050 ampere. Now here solution of this exercise question 12. S equal to Ig upon I minus Ig from the formula into G. Put the value Ig, that is 0.005 upon 5 minus 0.005 into 99. We will get here that 0.005 upon 4.995 into 99, or you may write this value 50 into 99 upon 4995, you will get 0.99 this ohm, that is approximate 1 ohm. Now come on, the R equal to, we know that resistance of ammeter is 1 plus G by 1 by S, that is 1 by 99 plus 1 by 1 1 by RA equal to 1 plus 99 upon 99, that is a 100 upon 99. Or you can say R equal to 99 by 100, 0.9999 ohm. Question 13. Now here come on question 19. Now come in 19 question, here you see 19 question, not 13. 19 here you see a galvanometer with coil of resistance 12 ohm, means G equal to 12.0 ohm given here, and coil resistance shows full scale deflection of current, means current in galvanometer 2.5 milliampere. This is milliampere here given, very clear. How we will convert into an ammeter? First, in ammeter of range 0 to 7.5 ampere, means I equal to 7.5 ampere. Second part of this, in voltmeter of range here given of range 0 to 10 volt, 0 to 10.0 volt. First part here, S equal to Ig upon I minus Ig into G. Here put the value of Ig, that is a 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 upon 7.5 minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 into G, means 12. After calculating, you will get that shunt 4.0 into 10 power minus 3 ohm. And second one, that R equal to V by Ig minus G. V means 10 here, upon Ig means 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 into G means 12. R equal to 4000 minus 12, that is 3988 ohm. This R equal to 3980 ohm. Now all of you complete the given exercise question. Come on here. This exercise question and these question. If you have problem, you may be asked the question